What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Sportage Smart Key remote fob. This remote key fob is going to be for the Kia Sportages that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on. Hold that release down and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this key and we're going to use it to open the case. So if we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that the emergency key slid out of. We also can see there's this kind of notch right here. What I'm going to do is put the key in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to split the shell apart. I'll move the key over a little bit and then just kind of keep working it open. Once you get it far enough apart, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the shell, we see our battery right here. And I'll use my key just to help me get under the edge of it right here. And get it out of that little holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. And you can see there's this little metal holder right there. That's the edge you want to start in first. So kind of tuck that edge in first, and then snap it down into place like that. And then we can put the two halves of the case together. Make sure they're snapped all the way together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.